So young Jenna, you don't know sir that you have to use to hold down the weed smell you. Yeah man. Come for ball we use and do them things man.
What? I learned something new today. You have to give me something for travel with then, you know.
Yeah man. Anytime you move, any kind of heavyweight, always make sure say you have a camphor ball. You get me I say? At all times.
Yeah man, I see what I go on, man. So how much you have for me?
You know, say 3 pound weight now, you know. But a real good thing in my lad. So you hear me I say? I better make the man them style you know, make sure say you sell it at the right price. You hear me say? But watch your style you know. Which part you chocolate?
You know what I say? A grand bag go up still. This where I start from, you see me? And then I Spain town, I joke.
Where you say? Spain? Hold on. Yo. Macaron. Jenna, hear me I say. Over the hot, you know.
Yeah.
And which part of Spain, brother? Over the hot. The other day I go over there in a car. You know the general named Kingman?
Kingman, yeah man.
You know Kingman?
Yeah.
And Kingman tell me say me fi deal with something with him over there.
Yeah.
I'm going to go and circle my lad. A big excitement of one over there.
From Kingman Black?
Yeah man, on the block where him, you don't know some have couple block where him run off himself.
So, I wanna film black me there, you know.
General, careful. Over the second way.
Yeah.
Now I tell you, see, one little atted youth over there in the youth.
Yeah.
If them man they see and you new on the black, them good as all and move to you. They don't know so the youth move to me.
When?
Yeah man.
When that one?
I got link the man about last week, brother. And the youth move to me. Yeah man, I have to get serious, my lad. Serious, I have to get serious and tell Kingman send for talk to them too.
So, Kingman deal with it?
Kingman deal with it star, but after me, yo, I reach on the block, I got link Kingman, see?
Yeah.
When I look at the youth that I sell some little bead thing. So I say one of the youth them are also on the block.
Bead? That sound familiar, man. Like, me have an idea.
You could as all know, man. But I see the youth are selling beads, see?
Mm-hmm.
And I pass and, you know, see my pre me certain kind of way.
Mm-hmm.
When I look, man ask me who me and where I come from. So I say, I don't know you bad man and Ray. I see the man that did for him waist. Brother, move me for more.
The papa?
I move and pick up something and say, yo, you know me? You know me? I say, a Kingman level the whole thing and say, numbers are one of my you.
Yeah.
See? Because I know say them youth they will pop up, but me tell some big stone no miss. 2 big stone.
Yes, can't believe that one start.
But
Look
you-
thing.
You more you do now. It's a Kingman. The man you have to draw close to you. Because the man there can help you get through some of the things there.
Yeah.
Sorry. Once him know say you're over there, make sure say him know say you're over there. Once him know say you're over there, you're alright. Let me tell you my general. Over there run hot, you don't want a man pray too tough.
Yeah.
See? So just make sure say you pray what I want. You see?
Yeah.
You know.
Alright, now do the right thing, man. Isn't me?
So watch your style now. See?
I will 3 you left with me.
Yeah man, I hold thing man. Alright. You see me I say? So watch your style.
Now bring back your bag next week.
Yeah man, just circle me, see? I don't want to look away.
Yeah.
So, how you park down the road?
Yeah, down the road.
You know, you could jog it up,